Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving right into how to use Notion for medical records management, your full guide for 2025. The first thing you need to do is create a new page in Notion. This will be your main hub for all your medical records. You can title it something like Medical Records 2025. Now, this step is important because it allows you to have a central location for all your information, which makes it easier to access and manage. Next up, you're going to want to add some tables. Tables in Notion are great for organizing information. You might want to create separate tables for different types of records, such as lab results, medication lists, and doctor's notes. This helps us because it keeps everything neatly categorized and easy to find. Now that we've done that, let's add some properties to our tables. Properties are extra pieces of information that can be attached to each record. For example, for a lab result, you might want to include properties like the date of the test, the type of test, and the results. The reason we do this is to provide more context for each record and make it easier to understand at a glance. Now let's talk about templates. In Notion, you can create templates for your tables, which will make it much easier and faster to add new records in the future. For example, you might create a template for a lab result that already includes all the necessary properties and their formatting. This is important because it saves time and ensures consistency across all your records. Finally, don't forget about Notion's powerful search and filter functions. These allow you to find specific records quickly and easily. For example, you can filter your medication list to only show medications that are currently active, or search for a specific lab result by date or type. This is important because it allows you to quickly access the information you need when you need it. That's it. You've now set up a robust and efficient system for managing your medical records in Notion. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and easy to find. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.